When I was a little girl, I was always asking my parents why, and I never wanted to accept their answers. I would start using things like, "That's not reasonable," when I was about 7. So back in the country, in the middle of nowhere in Pennsylvania, I was a little girl arguing with my parents, and they said from a very young age, "Oh, she's going to be a lawyer." My name is Deena Buchanan, and I'm the founder of Buchanan Law Injury Lawyers in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we cover trucking accidents and employment law in the entire state of New Mexico. You know, a lot of my clients come to me, say in a car accident case, and they have back pain. And when the insurance adjuster hears about back pain, they say, "Oh, this is another soft tissue injury case." But when I talk to my client and I ask them, and I have them break down every step of their daily journey, and you really ask those questions and you learn about your client's experience and you care to know about your client's experience, you know and you can internalize their story in a way that you can tell it unlike anybody else. I've handled a lot of trucking cases, and I have a real passion for them. I also have spent a lot of time learning all of the rules and regulations, spending time with the experts in this industry, spending time with accident reconstructionists. Heck, last year I went to truck driving school and I learned how to drive a big rig, and I learned from expert witnesses on how to do a truck inspection myself for a truck I was going to operate later that day. So I think that when you look for a truck accident attorney, you want somebody who has a broad range of experience with the trucking industry and who really knows, what is the driver supposed to do when, and will treat that case like the specialty kind of case that it is and not just an average car accident. And then employment law has just always been a passion of mine, and there's very few people in our state who do it on the employee side. And I represent women in sexual harassment and sexual assault cases. I represent women usually who have pregnancy discrimination, and then the other kinds of cases that we do are whistleblower cases. It's important to me to feel like I'm making a difference. It gets me out of bed in the morning. One of my clients at the end of a sexual harassment case came into the office to pick up her settlement check, and she said, "Deena, I just wanted to tell you thank you, because you're the only one who believed me. You're the only one who listened." That was powerful.